And in this lesson, you're going to learn how to sign a document or a PDF directly in your Mac. So this will eliminate the need to print out any kind of agreement, then sign it physically, and then scan it back in. You can do everything electronically within your Mac. So the first thing we're going to do is I have this agreement here. It's a PDF. I'm going to right click on that, open with Preview. Preview is a built-in application that comes with every Mac. And here you see we have our agreement. Next thing I want to do here in Preview is show the toolbar. So I want to make sure we show this, click this little toolbar here. And then here's what we're interested in. And we're going to click here to begin. And you use your trackpad and you'll draw your signature here. So and it may take a few times to do it. That's really ugly, but we're going to use it. Then hit your space bar. And that will save it in there, and you can click done. And then when I need it, I just click it and it'll appear in my document. I can move this around anywhere I want it to be. I can also scale it so it looks nice. I also want to put some initials, so we're going to create another signature. Create signature again, click here to begin, and then I'm going to draw it on my trackpad again. Looks pretty good. Hit the space bar, which will save it. And then we're done. Now we'll have it here. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Click and drag. Again, I can scale as needed. Then I can copy Command C and paste Command V. Again, paste it again just because we need it. And then let's say we need to put a date in here. We can actually use this tool right here to create a text field. I'm going to hover on that, put it over here, and then double click on it and January 1, 2030. And of course we can move this around as well. Ooh, come on now. There we go. And there you go. You learned how to sign a document, a PDF, completely electronically within your Mac. Of course, you can save it and you're good to go. And don't forget to sign up for the resource library where you can download that Mac shortcuts cheat sheet. And there's also a lot of other great resources in there. You'll get access to a bunch of templates, tools, books, and again, here's that Mac keyboard shortcut. So lots of great stuff at lancewheels.com/Mac. Thanks.